Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making okra and peanut punch. And guys, I've just got this is just a simple recipe. I've got some condensed milk, as you all know, coconut milk, nature's charm. I've got some nutmeg, I've got some cinnamon, I've got a cup of raw peanut, and I've got the skin on, and I've got some okra over there that's already pre-cooked. I didn't cook it for it to soft because I want it in between, right? And guys, a reason why I leave the skin on the nuts is because this benefit of the nut, in the skin, right? And not to mention the benefits in the okra. This is just a nice, simple, easy punch. Filling. If you don't feel like it, you can go ahead and you could make this punch. You can add Guinness in there. You can add whatever alcohol, dragon, whatever. But this is just alcohol free and simple. I won't be using any vanilla extract because for the past weeks I've been trying to get some and I can't. So yeah, I ran out. So right, so we're gonna get started, guys. But guys, when I'm boiling the okra, I also add 1 cinnamon stick in the water just to give it a bit of flavor, you know, spice up your thing. So guys, let's just jump straight into the video and make this punch. All right, so now guys, we're gonna add the peanut in. I'm just using 3/4 because, and I'm gonna also add the okra, and I'm using the juice from the okra. And I'm also gonna add some coconut milk, not a lot, just a tiny, like about 5 tablespoons coconut milk in there. I'm gonna also add the nutmeg and the cinnamon. I'm gonna just probably dunk everything in there. It needs a bit more liquid, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some water in there, not a lot. So yes, and now we're gonna add our milk. So we're about to add some milk in there, not a lot because you don't want it too sweet. And we're gonna proceed and we're gonna blend this, guys. So now that my punch is all blended, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour it in this jar here, and this is the consistency you need. Oh my gosh, looks so good, guys. Wow. Yeah, I still got some left over. I'm just gonna pour in this small glass right here. As you can see, the consistency, that's how you want it. And that's how you make okra and peanut punch. This is a simple and easy recipe, guys. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients to make this punch. And it's also filling, and the benefits and the nutrients from it, oh my gosh, guys, you can look it up for yourself and all of that. So yes, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload, you won't miss a video. Guys, please like, share, comment. Yes. So guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. I'm going to go and big up on yourself. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, guys, bye.